All right, Walter, you did a good job. Pick out an M&M. Make sure it's a good one.
A big one.
Mommy?
Pick a blue one. That's my favorite.
Here, I'll hold on to this for you. Oh, almost a yellow one. Pick out a good one.
Orange? No.
Oh.
Red?
He's going for the orange one. No, not the orange one. Didn't like it. It's going back to that orange one.
Are you all done?
No, wait, Mama.
You got one? Brown it is tonight! Good job!